Hi guys, welcome. How are you? So today we have another PR unboxing video. We have high-end skincare supplements if you like. So we are unboxing Aidevi, their new launch high-end skincare supplement. Guys, Aidevi high-end skincare supplement company, we already unboxed their first launch product available on my channel. Still, you can use my discount code if you are into high-end skincare product. So this is their new launch and this is Aidevi NMN21000. Guys, this one we're gonna talk about it. I am so excited and I'm gonna give you all the information what is hype about high-end skincare supplements. First of all, this company made in USA, guys, and the second of all, what's the difference this supplement than other supplement? First one and most important. So this supplement GMP certificated. So which means they follow FDA rules. So not all the product, all the supplement on the market, they are not qualified for GMP certificated. GMP certificated, they go for all the process for qualification, and this is like really serious qualification process. So if you want to search, you can always search what is GMP certification, and they got the GMP certification. That's why I am really relaxingly highly can promote. As you know, there's tons of supplements out there. For me, one thing so important is first ingredients, clean ingredients, and secondly, if they got any like a performance certification process, which means when you go to lab, you need to get that certification to safely use. So this product is available for over 18 years old, and if you want high performance brain function, if you want high performance metabolic system, if you want high performance skincare elasticity, this product is Q10, inside key, vitamin D, and all the ingredients inside, and also support your heart, support your immune system. That's why this is high-end skincare supplements. Their ingredients is really great, and one of them is alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, if research is good for you, and other than that is vitamin K2, vitamin D3. Inside also their one of the key ingredients, NME. NME, one of the ingredients is researchers, some of the study shows improve for your brain function, improves for your health, metabolism. So this is one of the skincare product also helps for your skin smoother. So this is their product, and as I told you, they are made in United States, but they are global brands, and maybe you're familiar with this brand if you live in Asia, because they have also Asian market. They were in the Asian market too, and after when they entered the USA market, made in USA, and they got all the certification process, which I am interested in. So this product, guys, NMN 2000 21000, the name, and as I told you, the ingredients. If you are interested in my subscriber, gonna get 30% off discount code. This product I think retail for 180 something. Let me check. And of course, I need to remind you, please, when you take supplement, any type of supplement, please ask your doctor. But the supplement is not a medicine, so it's not like you need to have like a special things. You can just go to the store and get it. But again, for my advice, ask your doctor. This one, guys, high performance, high-end skincare supplement on the market, and you will get 30% off. I think its retail price over $180 and over $200, and you will get 30% off discount code with my code. Check my description area and check my description area. You're gonna get 30% off. I am so beyond excited about this supplement, guys. And if you're interested, this company, they do high-end skincare supplement for, the young people, for like aging people. Please do not take this medicine if you are pregnant or breastfeeding too. Other than that, you can safely use. And guys, so if you're interested their other product, they have great product on the market. You can check their website, and you can always check my first video about this brand. I do dedicated video for this brand already. You can check their first launch, and this is their second launch. And this one is new, guys. If you're interested in, take advantage for 30% off. Thank you so much, Aidevi, sending us this great product, and I'm sharing with my subscriber. Thank you so much, Aidevi marketing team. Thank you so much, CEO. Thank you so much. See you soon, guys. Bye.